Take a look at this. The district magistrate, when we questioned the district magistrate, this is what happened. Take a look.
आप 4 दिन बाद आए हैं सर, स्पॉट पे आप अंदर गए सर, कुछ तो बताइए। निजी सचिव ने रिपोर्ट भी सौंपी है, कुछ तो होगा ना सर। जिम्मेदारी किसकी है सर? 3 बच्चों की जिम्मेदारी किसकी? आप ऐसे कैसे जा सकते हैं सर? कुछ तो बताइए, कुछ तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन आप कर रहे हैं ना। आप खुद 4 दिन बाद आए हैं सर, कुछ तो बताइए क्या निकला सर इन्वेस्टिगेशन में? सर 3 बच्चों की जिम्मेदारी है सर, कोई जिम्मेदारी है सर? तो ये आप देखेंगे डीएम सेंट्रल हैं ये, हम लगातार उनसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं लेकिन कोई भी जवाब नहीं। हमने पूछा 3 बच्चों की, आप 4 दिन बाद आए हैं सर, स्पॉट पे आप अंदर गए सर, कुछ तो बताइए। निजी सचिव ने रिपोर्ट भी सौंपी है, कुछ तो होगा ना सर। जिम्मेदारी किसकी है सर? 3 बच्चों की जिम्मेदारी किसकी? आप ऐसे कैसे जा सकते हैं सर? कुछ तो बताइए, कुछ तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन आप कर रहे हैं ना। आप खुद 4 दिन बाद आए हैं सर, कुछ तो बताइए क्या निकला सर इन्वेस्टिगेशन में? सर 3 बच्चों की जिम्मेदारी है सर, कोई जिम्मेदारी है सर? तो ये आप देखेंगे डीएम सेंट्रल हैं ये, हम लगातार उनसे सवाल पूछ रहे हैं लेकिन कोई भी जवाब नहीं। हमने पूछा 3 बच्चों की।
Will you take some responsibility, sir? Will you take some responsibility of what has happened? Will you take some responsibility of what has happened, sir? Will you take some responsibility of what has happened? Will you take some responsibility of what has happened? At least take some responsibility, sir. आपने रिपोर्ट भी दी है। Take some responsibility of what has happened, sir. Will you take some responsibility, sir? Will you take some responsibility of what has happened? Will you take some responsibility of what has happened, sir? Will you take some responsibility of what has happened? Will you take some responsibility of what has happened? At least take some responsibility, sir. आपने रिपोर्ट भी दी है। Take some responsibility.
Piyush is joining me live. Piyush, the court has come down heavily on both the MCD and the Delhi government, asking tough questions also on the freebie culture and the lack of administration. As far as the investigation goes, what are the loopholes that we've seen and the loopholes that are now being investigated?
So yes, Niranjan, what I can tell you is that definitely the court has taken note of the kind of procrastination, the kind of carelessness, and if I may be more blunt, the kind of corruption that was occurring, which has resulted in this tragedy where just few millimeters of rain resulted in the rainwater getting mixed with the drainage water, getting gushed into the basement, and thereby resulting in the deaths of 3 students due to drowning. Now, owing to this, there has been massive anger of the students who are protesting, and for controlling this, you are seeing that how there is heavy presence of Delhi police officials. In fact, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be having a word with some of the students over here, trying to have a word with the students over here to make you understand that what exactly is the situation over here. In fact, and thereby, when the officials, that includes the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, the Delhi police, and also the representatives, the elected representatives, I say, from the Delhi government and also the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, we are seeing that there is just no accountability. And because there is no accountability, you are seeing situation like this, where the students are coming on streets, they are protesting, they want to speak to the representatives, they want to speak to the government agencies, but in effect what we are seeing is, we are seeing high-handedness that is being now shown, because the Delhi police, citing law, wants that the students who are protesting should clear the roads because they want the traffic to come and pass through this area. Now this is technicality of law, but at the end of it, who is going to address the complaints and grievances of these students who right now are in talks with the Delhi police officials, because the Delhi police is in constant talk with them and they're using a carrot and stick policy to make sure that the students ultimately clear this road. At the end of it, because the government agencies have been silent, they have been careless and they have been careless in their approach, we have now seen a situation where the Delhi High Court has stepped in and has demanded accountability. The question is, after the Delhi High Court reprimanded these government agencies, will they finally take action? Will corruption...
Thank you for those inputs. Leaving it at that for now, Piyush.